We talk a lot about dangerous jobs on this show. We've seen firsthand the risks that come with mining, construction, and even sanitation. But there's another industry that often gets overlooked, the men and women who work on the water. Whether it's fishing, shipping, or transportation, maritime jobs are essential to our global economy. These jobs are also inherently dangerous. The sea is unpredictable, mistakes can be costly, and when disaster strikes, it often makes headlines around the world. In recent weeks, we've seen two separate ship collisions that highlight the importance of maritime safety. These incidents, one in the North Sea and the other in Dakar port, Senegal, serve as stark reminders of the risks involved in this crucial industry. They also underscore the need for constant vigilance, rigorous training, and a deep respect for the power of the sea. On October 24, 2024, a distress call crackled across the radios of the German Maritime Search and Rescue Service. The MV Verity, a general cargo ship, had collided with the bulk carrier Polesie in the busy shipping lanes of the North Sea. The collision occurred approximately 50 nautical miles off the coast of Germany. The impact was significant, causing serious damage to the MV Verity. The MV Verity, carrying a crew of 12, began taking on water rapidly. Despite the best efforts of the crew, the order was given to abandon ship. The North Sea, known for its unpredictable weather and strong currents, made the situation even more perilous. The German Maritime Search and Rescue Service responded immediately to the distress call. They dispatched helicopters and rescue boats to the scene. They faced challenging conditions, battling high winds and rough seas. Their mission was clear: locate and recover the 12 crew members of the sinking MV Verity. The bulk carrier Polesie, though damaged in the collision, remained afloat. Initial reports indicate that the vessel suffered minimal damage. The crew of the Polesie remained on scene, assisting in the search and rescue efforts. The cause of the collision is currently under investigation. Section 4. Calm under pressure in Dakar. Just days earlier, on October 15th, a different type of maritime incident unfolded in Dakar port, Senegal. The docked vessel, Princess Jessica, was struck by the MV Zographia during a routine docking maneuver. The impact caused the Princess Jessica to capsize, sending shockwaves through the busy port. Fortunately, there were no casualties in the Dakar port incident. The quick response of local authorities helped to avert a potential disaster. Tugboats were quickly deployed to secure the capsized Princess Jessica and prevent further damage to the vessel or the surrounding port infrastructure. Section 5. The importance of prevention. These two incidents highlight the importance of safety protocols in maritime operations. Every day, thousands of vessels navigate busy shipping lanes and crowded ports. The potential for human error is always present. That's why rigorous training, clear communication, and strict adherence to safety regulations are absolutely critical. Technology also plays an increasingly important role in maritime safety. Modern ships are equipped with advanced navigation systems, radar, and collision avoidance software. These tools are designed to assist crews in making safe decisions and avoiding potentially dangerous situations. Section 6. Respecting the risks. The men and women who work on the water face inherent risks every day. They are often exposed to harsh weather conditions, long hours, and the unpredictable nature of the sea. It's a tough job, and it takes a special kind of person to do it. So the next time you see a cargo ship on the horizon or a fishing boat returning to port, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of the people who make it happen. And remember, the sea is unforgiving. Safety is not a matter of luck, it's the result of constant vigilance and a healthy respect for the power of the water.